Hey there everyone, it's Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at a video I found called I Built 8 Income Streams in 6 Months. Here's what I learned. Now this video has almost over 500,000 views here, 30,000 likes on it. It's from a channel called Rachel Howe. She's got about 65,000 subscribers. It says here, I built 8 income streams in 6 months. Here's what I learned. So let's take a look at this and learn what these 8 income streams are. I love learning about new ways of earning money online. Hopefully you guys can take these streams and apply some of them for yourselves. Let me know in the comments below if you're actually doing any of these as we go through this video here. And of course, before we get in there, if you guys can just do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button as well. Let's jump into this. We'll give them a like here. There you go. There's that like. And let's do it.
The pandemic has shifted the way we work. During the lockdown, I started working from home and I find myself with lots of free time.
Okay, she's got a little bit of an accent. I know some people complain about that, so I'm going to turn on the captions here. Hopefully that will help.
So I spent that time learning, trying new things. I also started side projects for fun. There's a saying, follow your curiosity and not your passion. That's exactly what I did. I followed my curiosity and it led up to this point.
Follow your curiosity and not your passion. I'm not sure what the difference is with that. Like, if you're passionate about something, I guess I'm passionate about like literature and stuff, but maybe my curiosity is like making money online, I guess. Maybe that's the difference. I don't know.
Was it easy? No. But was it worth it? Yes. I will share a breakdown of each income stream, and then at the end of this video, I will share with you what I've learned so far by building 8 income streams.
8 income streams is a lot. Like, I know they always tell people to have multiple income streams, but 8 of them, I'm trying to think of like the income streams I have. I've got like affiliate marketing, of course. I've got my YouTube videos. I've got my email list. I've got investment income. I have real estate income. Like, I guess, I don't know, product launches maybe. Those are mine. To let us know what your income streams are in the comments below.
So the first income stream is my full-time job. The majority
that's a big one here. 34% from her full-time job.
of my time is spent on my full-time job. My job has grown me to become a better designer and as well as learn how to work with different people across different departments. My second income stream is my freelance UI UX design.
Oh, look at that one there. 47% from freelancing and helping people create user interfaces.
Even before I got my job as a product designer at my current company, I have already been freelancing as a designer. And in the beginning, I took on every single job and I didn't care if I was underpaid. I knew I had to practice. I had to try new things in order to find out if design was right for me.
That's really good. It's a good point there. When you're first starting out with these different jobs, I mean, a lot of people they get picky about it, but you really should go and just take whatever you can get just to get that practice. And just think of it as, even if you're not paid very much for it, that you're just getting paid to practice.
I also didn't know what kind of design work I wanted to do, so I took on gigs in like logo design, poster design, banner designs. And eventually I found out that I love UI UX design, so I ran with it and started landing better freelance clients.
That whole UIX thing, user interface, is huge now. Like, I have multiple friends that they're like going to school to learn how to do that, and that's their job. Like, they didn't do that before, now that's what they're doing. There's such a huge demand for it.
Fast forward to 2021. This year alone, I have worked on 19 freelance design projects worldwide in industries across finance, e-commerce, SaaS, internal tools, social media, travel, non-profit, healthcare, and more. My clients are typically referrals or organic leads from LinkedIn, Twitter, Google. Since I love building websites, I started picking up Webflow skills in 2020. It turned out to be really fun, so I started offering Webflow development
Webflow development. I'm not even sure what that is.
services. So this year, I had the opportunity to work on 6 Webflow development projects. It is refreshing to do something different apart from design once in a while. I typically charge on a project basis. Sometimes after a site has been launched, clients need help with minor tweaks or updates to the site, so I've worked out a reasonable hourly rate that would solve that problem.
She's not sharing the amount of money that she's making from these things. So she says she makes 8 income, she has 8 income streams, but I wonder how much she's actually making, or if she reveals that.
That way, clients don't have to stress themselves out because I just bill by the hour. It's less commitment for my clients. That's how I usually work for my freelance Webflow developments. And that brings me to my fourth income stream, YouTube AdSense. In May 20...
Look at that, not much money coming in from AdSense. She's got about 64,000 subscribers on her channel. I'm surprised she's not making more.
2021, I found some free time and decided to start this channel. I took on Matt DeVella's YouTube course. I told myself that once I finish his course, I must start publishing videos on YouTube. The real reason why I started a YouTube channel is to leave a legacy. I wanted to share my ideas, share what I know with the world at scale.
One of the cool things about doing YouTube is that the videos that you create on it are here like pretty much forever. Unless someday YouTube closes down, which maybe someday. I mean, I'm sure it'll change eventually, but these videos are going to exist for a long, long time. It's pretty cool.
Every video that I share would exist forever and can be watched by millions of people at the same time, no matter where you are. If I could change just one person's life or make a day better with my videos, then I know I'm doing the right thing, even if I die tomorrow.
Thank you for making this video. It's helping all of us now.
I gave myself 3 years to grow this channel, but it blew up in 3 months, all thanks to your support. YouTube started paying me since July, so I received my YouTube AdSense income every month in my bank account.
Come on, show us how much you made. Come on.
All my AdSense income are taxed before payout. For my fifth income stream, it's digital products.
She didn't show us.
I always thought I needed to code to make an income on the internet, but it turns out that's wrong. There are many ways you could make a living off the internet. When I make a video on my channel, I would think, how could I build digital products that people want? So one weekend while I was working on one of my videos, I decided to create resume templates as an experiment. I have only launched one Gumroad product so far. I use Gumroad to sell my digital products, and all sales after deducting taxes and fees are then paid directly to my PayPal account every 2 weeks. I've always wanted to do stuff like that because it's really fun and it's also super scalable. You can basically build something based on what you know for one time, package it and sell without leaving your bedroom, and the best part of all is you don't need anyone's permission to start.
Really guys, if you haven't made your own courses or anything yet, if you've got anything to teach, put it out there. There's so many different platforms, Skillshare, Gumroad, you can put them up. I mean, you can just put them up on YouTube and make money from AdSense. There's so many ways to make money.
And you can basically build once and sell multiple times. So that leads me to my sixth income stream, affiliate income. I earn affiliate income from Amazon and Webflow. And what this means is that...
Now, if you look at that, she makes money from Amazon. Amazon pays such low commissions. It's ridiculously low, like 2, 3, 4, 5%. It's nothing. And that's why I like to promote digital products, because they pay anywhere from 50 to 100% commissions. It's insane.
That basically when you purchase through my links, I make a tiny commission at no cost to you. This income stream happened as a result of my growing YouTube channel. I also have a page on my website where I list down links to every gear or tool that I genuinely recommend. My seventh income stream is investments. I have invested in robo-advisors.
So she's starting to invest some of her money. That's good. I mean, that should grow over time from that 2.9%. And as she keeps on investing, that's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, faster than probably she thinks.
And cryptocurrency through platforms that are approved by my country. I tend to avoid high-risk investments, so my returns are low. And I'm still in the process of learning how to get better at investing. I'm just a beginner right now. My eighth income stream is selling pre-loved items.
Pre-loved, okay, so selling used stuff.
As part of my plan to reduce my belongings and live a more intentional lifestyle, decluttering and selling off things I no longer use has become both a fun hobby and a stream of income for me. I placed things I no longer use in a box and started listing them on Carousell, which is a platform for buying and selling used items. So here are a summary of my income streams. To recap, I have my full-time job, my freelance UI UX design, Webflow development, YouTube AdSense, digital products, affiliate income, investments.
I wouldn't be surprised if she does more freelance work. Look, that freelance work is almost 50%. If she can just move that up just a little bit, she can quit that job.
Selling pre-loved items. Having 8 income streams doesn't mean that I earn a lot. I don't. It only means that if one stream fails, I have 7 others to back me up. And it's also not about building multiple income streams. It's about taking baby steps to reach financial freedom so that you don't have to rely on a single source of income when things don't turn out the way that you expected it to be.
That happens. Like sometimes I'll have months where I don't do as good with my affiliate income as I imagined that I would, but then I have reoccurring income coming in, or I have AdSense income. So it helps, especially when it's not a great month.
So let's get into what I've learned so far building 8 income streams in 6 months. First of all, I learned that building systems around work that are done repeatedly is super helpful to me. For example, to make sure that I have time to reply emails, I block time on my calendar. Then I set up email reply templates to reply to those emails if I could, to save time.
Setting up systems is just clutch, as far as going in and having things just like all set up for you. One thing I recommend for you guys is a free software called Trello. And if you go check that out, Trello.com, it's free to sign up for there's a free version of it. I have all my promotions and everything, all my videos set up in that. It keeps me really organized.
And I also set up my Notion workspace to manage all my work, my personal to-dos and finances. I also set up a personal design system, so every time I start a new design project, I don't have to build a new design system from scratch. So try to think about the processes that you could turn them into systems so that you don't have to repeat those processes again and again, and it kind of increases your productivity. Secondly, don't put all your eggs in one basket. No matter how high-paying your full-time job is, no matter how great your client is, I've had clients who disappeared in the middle of a project without notice. I've also seen people getting retrenched out of nowhere. Build multiple income streams so that one day, if you lose one source of income, you still have many others. And having multiple income streams helps to ease your mind. You can also choose your client and the work you kind of need to take on. Now that you have multiple income streams, you don't have to rely on one source of income.
It's nice to not have to rely on one source. If you have multiple sources to back you up, then you're not as anxious or worried when things go wrong.
And next up is I learned that everything is figure outable. Before I became a designer in 2019, I was working in a job that I didn't enjoy, and since the pay was low, I did not have any savings. I thought that I was bad at managing money, and I thought that I would never figure out what I wanted to do. 6 months ago, I didn't know how to edit videos, how to use Final Cut Pro. I didn't even know anything about filming or lighting. Heck, 2 years ago, I didn't know what is UI UX design. So here I am 2 years later, I've learned that everything is figure outable.
Thanks guys so much for checking out this video here today. If you want to go ahead and you can visit her video. Also make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and let us know below if you do any of these income streams. If you have multiple income streams, go ahead and comment below. I appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.